Now we're going to simulate a network failure between the two arrays. We can see on both arrays that there is I/O activities, reads and writes, and all writes are mirrored. You can see it in purple on the graph. That's the VM that is hosting the I/O meter program that generates the activity. Looking at the host, we can see that we have 8 active paths to the volume. To simulate the failure, I will deactivate the 4 interfaces that are used for replication on one array. Once the 4 interfaces will be deactivated, each array will try to reach the mediator. The first to reach the mediator will resume its activity and the other one will remain inactive. In a few seconds, we will see the I/O resuming on this VM. During this time, VM is still active. Looking at the host, we can see that we are having now 4 faulty paths. We can see that this array is not active anymore, and this one is active. All writes are now local, not mirrored anymore. Now I'm gonna re-enable the network interfaces for replication, and you will see that you don't have to do anything to resume the activity on both arrays. The system will sync the data and then reestablish all the paths to the volume. You can monitor the sync on the array, going to storage, pods, and you will see the progression. Here status is resyncing. Once the status is online, that means all data are synced on both arrays. The system will allow access on the second array. We can see now that the writes are mirrored. No impact on the VM. And the 8 paths are now active.